Hey guys, Leif here from iTech Office National. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how you can make use of the favorites lists on the Office National website. So here you can see, if you look in the top right, you can see I'm already logged into my account. And we have a favorites button at the top towards the right. So first of all, I'm just going to click on that and explain a few things. So you can make your favorite recurring lists of products here. So I have already made up 2 small lists of sample products. So I'm just going to go into one to show you what I've got in there. So if I go into my main items, I've put in some items that I need to get on a regular basis. I've just got some archive boxes and coffee and some toilet tissue paper and wipes and A4 copy paper. So these are things that I get on a regular basis. So once they are in the list, you can simply, instead of finding the items that you thought you got last time and so on, you can simply click on that list and you can add the list to the current order and check out. So your whole list can be purchased in just one simple operation. And if I go back to Scratch, if I go back to my home screen, the way you build these lists would be that, say, if I click on a product here, or you search for a product that you want to have on your list, every product has this blue add to favorites button. So if I click on that, you can then select a list to add to. So you may have one list or multiple lists if you have different types of orders that you want to do and you want to break it down. Otherwise, if you're starting from scratch and you have no existing lists to add to, you would simply create a new favorites list, and you can give it a name, and you can make it private or shared. That's really just relevant if you have multiple accounts or multiple logins under your company name. You might want to share it with others, or only yourself will be able to see the list. So I can put in, say, test, and I'm going to make it a shared list and leave it as a favorite, and add to favorites list. And if I now go back into my favorites, I should have a new list in there, and you can see that's just my tests that I created before. And what we can also do as a business review, if you are an existing customer or if you're a new customer as well and you know what items you want to add to your list, we can build the list for you, so you don't have to do it. We can simply look at what your regular purchases are, and we can automatically upload whatever you want. Maybe your top 10 or 20 products that you normally get, we can automatically populate those into the favorites list. Another really handy thing about the favorites list is all the specific consumables that you get for, say specific labels or toner codes or all those things. If you have it in your favorites list, you will get it right every time. You won't find yourself in a situation where you got the wrong code or the wrong product, and this is just a really good feature. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please send us an email or let us know. Talk to you soon.